Hello, everyone. Welcome to your Daily Five. I am Jane Gallina, also known as Airplane Jane, and I'm very accessible on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, my website, CJ and Trade, and also a leader at Ticker Talker. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at jane@cjandtrade.com. All right, let's get into it. I think we are ready for a wild and crazy ride this week. First up on my watch is J.P. Morgan. We do have a wedge setting up right there, and this is the equi-volume charts from StockCharts. And you can see that we've had a bigger volume recently, and we've just sort of been trading sideways. It hasn't been since back in December that we had this sideways consolidation price action. So this to me is setting up for a bigger move. I'm watching a breakout above 153.50 or a breakdown below 150. If we drop below 150, I think we're going to come back down to that 129 level. And on the flip side, if we break out up above 153.50, I think we might be seeing 160. Now, this next chart of the SPY is quite telling to me. We have a megaphone set up right now. We've had some crazy volatility. We have the stimulus that's going to be voted on. Yes, that could be amazing. The chart is telling me that we might be topping out here. If we're not able to have a close above 390, I will be looking for a drop back down to that 370 level or further. Next up, in relation to that, is if we have the stimulus that has passed, that's likely going to increase inflation, increase the price of commodities. PSLV, Sprott Physical Silver Trust, does have the ability to redeem those shares for physical silver. Now, if you've done any research on the silver market lately, the bullion price is trading at roughly a 40% premium to the digital or paper price of the silver futures, PSLV, and SLV. We see that we seem to have had a bit of a hammer down at the bottom down there, roughly at a $9 support. And again, breaking above that downward trend. So we might see that we have a bigger squeeze on PSLV, given that that stimulus bill is voted in. And we do have that money going out into people's hands and inflation rising. This would be a good hedge type trade potentially. If we could close above 950, then we might be seeing this go all the way up to $13. Next one up, giving that same consensus, is GLD, the gold, silver, spider shares. Now we have two trend lines here that I'm watching with a support area of 157.80. We're roughly at about 161 right now. If we can close above 165, I believe that we're likely going to see gold shooting up and squeezing those shorts as well with that protective trade. Now, if it breaks down below 157.80, that would be my, hey, this is my risk management, I'm getting out. The trade did not work out. Last one, everybody has heard of it. That's right, GameStop, right? Well, it looks like GameStop is back in the game. And I'm watching it to see if we can really break that 360 level. We had Citadel come out of retirement. That's a big major hedge fund that helped to bail out another hedge fund by buying back the shares that were short. Well, you know, knowing some egos and just knowing traders in general, they likely put on another short position. And slowly but surely, this has just been inching up. Now, as it's been inching up, you can see that we also have that short volume growing as well. When we look at it, you can see all the way back from the 14th of January. Let me pull up my pointer here for you guys. Right here, the 14th of January, we had massive volume. Now, this yellow line is going to be the short volume percentage. This is what is reported to FINRA each day. So this isn't short interest, which is reported by the brokers 2 weeks late, saying these are the shares that we have short on our books. This is, hey, these positions were opened as short positions today. So this is more up to date. And we see, hey, look, Here is our 50% line right here. Sorry, I cut off the percentages on the right, but this is our 50% line. And ever since the beginning of February, which is where we had that massive spike from Reddit and Wall Street bets, the short volume has been over 50% the entire time, except for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So that means that they have been building their short positions again and again and again. In fact, you can see it right over here. This is going to be the last 10 trading days. The last 5 trading days on average, the volume was 59.5% short. The last 10 days, 59.1% short. Now, GameStop does have 54 million in the float, which is how it can go to these extreme prices very quickly. When the momentum traders jump on board and the shorts feel that squeeze pressure, we see the massive move to the upside. So I'm definitely keeping my eye on watch for GameStop. Now, if you guys want to learn more about what I offer as well, I am a leader at Ticker Talker and offer up my daily alerts for $20. You're getting over 140 alerts for $20. Great stuff. Thank you guys for watching. This was your Daily 5 with Airplane Jane Gallina. Have an amazing day and carpe profit. Seize those profits one trade at a time.
Hey guys, Dave Keller here with StockCharts.com. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, and we hope you did, hit the like button right below. Also, we have so much new content every day. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button in the video or right below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a fantastic day.